In the last video, we discussed 3 out of 6 master strokes that you need to inculcate in yourself to succeed in life. If you have not seen that video yet, the link is in the description box, so go and watch it now so that you don't miss anything. Now, starting off with the next 3 master strokes. Here we go.
Number 4. Time is money. Do you know how much time do you get in a day? It's 86,400 seconds. And just give it a thought. How productive you were in these 86,400 seconds today. Time is one of the most valuable assets you will ever have in your life. You get this treasure each morning, a countdown to live your life productively and efficiently. As an ordinary, we have a tendency to spend it without bounds, leisurely. But do you know what a second means to a billionaire? In a second, a billionaire earns in thousands, in an hour in millions. This huge difference is because they have realized that the time is money. And that is why they are there and you are here. When you are surfing your internet, wasting your time, these people are out there performing, multiplying, creating more assets for them. This is where the difference increases and where the difference lies. Your 1 second is normal, it goes as it comes, but their 1 second is money. To succeed in life, spend this wealth wisely and judiciously, and you will be at the zenith of your success.
Number 5. Learn from your failures. A very common saying, but does anyone implement? No. We tend to forget our failures and let the bygones be bygones. We let the failure be, but we don't let its lesson be. Failures are basically the stepping stones to cross the bridge that leads to success. They teach you not that you cannot succeed, but the ways in which you may not. What does not make you succeed makes you stronger, teaches you what was wrong. It's the first step forward in the right path of your journey. You know what? When Edison was experimenting to find the right filament for his light bulb, he failed for more than 10,000 times. Was fired from his first 2 jobs for being non-productive. But when he finally succeeded at inventing the light bulb, he said, "They were never my unsuccessful attempts. I have not failed 10,000 times, but I have successfully found 10,000 ways that will not work." That is the attitude you need. That's something that will push you to reach the top. Situations happen, circumstances result in worse, but it's your perception of the situation, your thoughts towards it, that actually create the difference. So, failing is not bad, but it's actually the key to success.
Number 6. Never give up. When life gives you lemon, make a lemonade. It's a thought of light in the darkness of tunnel. But remember, no one succeeds at their first time. No life is changed overnight. Success is not as something you will get at leisure. No successful person reaches the epitome just after waking up the next day. There were perseverance, hard work, sleepless days and nights, years of struggles, failure, depression, betrayals. But among all these, there was a quality that kept the fire burning, the passion ignited, that never led them to give up, that made them reach where they are now.
Even in the chapter 2, text 12 of Bhagavad Gita, it is said by the Lord himself, "Matra sparshastu konteya, shitoshan sukh dukh khada, agama paino nitya, tansi tikhtikshva bharata." Meaning, the non-permanent appearance of happiness and distress and their disappearance in due course are like appearance and disappearance of summer and winter season. These feelings are temporary and arise from the sense of perception. Thus, you must learn to tolerate them without being disturbed.